In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create neumorphic UI buttons in Figma. This style, known for its subtle three-dimensional look, is perfect for anyone wanting to add a modern touch to their designs. So let's dive right in. First, to get started, open your browser and navigate to Figma's website. For those unfamiliar, Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows you to create stunning UI designs directly in your browser or desktop app. Once you're there, simply click on the Login button to access your account. If you're not already signed up, take a moment to create an account. It's free and worth every second for the flexibility it offers. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. From here you can see a list of your recent files and shared projects. Choose a file you'd like to work on or open a new one if you're starting from scratch. By selecting a file, you enter the Figma editor, a space we're going to use today to achieve that sleek neumorphic look. With your file open, your next step is to click on the Action button. Now this might sound a bit generic, but actions in Figma refer to a variety of preset options and shortcuts that can help streamline your design process. Once you're interacting with the menu, we need to quickly find something specific, so go ahead and use the search feature to look up neumorphic or neumorphism. This is fundamentally where the magic starts. Upon searching, you should see a result that links directly to a neumorphism template or plugin. Click on neumorphism. This resource is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for us by providing a set of defaults that are ready to use. Clicking on it essentially opens up a guide or template filled with various neumorphic elements that you can easily tweak and customize to fit the specific needs of your project. The standard neumorphic button design involves a blend of soft, diffused shadows, perfectly balanced with highlights to create that characteristic embossed or debossed effect. This technique gives the illusion of extruded shapes in the interface, achieving a sense of depth while maintaining a minimalistic feel. You'll notice how the buttons look as though they're subtly popping out from the background or sunken into the surface, thanks to thoughtful use of light and shadow. To wrap it up, spend some time adjusting the colors, depths, and other parameters to make sure your buttons align perfectly with your design vision. Play around with different settings until you create the desired effect. With this technique under your belt, you'll have added a unique, sophisticated touch to your interface design that users are sure to appreciate. And there you have it, you've just learned how to create neumorphic UI buttons in Figma, giving your designs a sleek and modern look. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.